Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. If you're trying to farm summer coins fast and grow a garden, here's how to do it without wasting time. Every hour, there is a 10-minute event called the Summer or Mega Summer Harvest. Just head to Georgia at the Central Card and donate your seasonal crops. Only summer crops count, and the rarer they are, the more points you get. Common crops give 1 point, while prismatic ones give 7, but only during mega harvest. The more points you donate, the higher your tier, and the more summer coins you earn. Usually, your reward is your tier minus 1 and coins. Once you've got enough, you can spend them in the summer shop on limited time stuff like rare seeds, pets, gear, and crafting items like the traveler's fruit. It's super straightforward. Join the event, donate high value crops, get coins, and grab those exclusive rewards before they're gone. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.